All right, so we're out here at the Mr. Cheesesteak food truck out at the Imperial Center, and we're about to talk to James to get some insight on his time at Mr. Cheesesteak. So James, how long have you been working for Mr. Cheesesteak, and how did you get to work for this food truck?
All right, for Mr. Cheesesteak, it's been about 2 years now, on and off. Actually, I started because the owner of this food truck, he owns 4 other food trucks, also a restaurant. I started on another food truck of his, and I slowly moved on to this cheesesteak. I prefer this because the product is a lot easier and it's a lot faster.
So you cook on this truck?
Yes, yeah, I'm a cook. I prep as well.
Okay, cool. And what's one of your favorite menu items that you have?
I would say the buffalo Philly.
The buffalo Philly?
Yeah, that's with chicken. It's just chicken because I don't like vegetables. So it's just chicken, wing sauce, and you can add either blue cheese or ranch dressed on the side.
Awesome. And so what are the other food trucks that are associated with Mr. Cheesesteak?
You have Mr. Mongolian. That's a stir-fry food truck. You can choose between pork, chicken, beef, dumplings, and now they have wings. You also have Will and Pops. That's a burger and a grilled cheese food truck. And he has 2 cheesesteak food trucks. Also, Mr. Cheesesteak restaurant.
Cool. And
it's all the same.
Where's that restaurant located? Where can they find you?
Located on 5400 South Miami Boulevard.
Okay,
in Durham,
cool.
North Carolina.
Awesome. And who's coming up over here?
Hello.
This is the big man, the man who runs everything. This is Tony.
How you doing?
Nice to meet you, Tony.
I'm busy. I got work to do.
All right, you get back to cooking on that truck. All right, and where can people find out where you're going to be?
We actually have a website. If you just go to Google and enter Mr. Cheesesteak Food Truck, on the top right corner, there'll be a tab for you. It says Find Our Truck, and that's where one of the 2 of our trucks will be located every day.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, we go out almost every day.
Great. And do you have social media that people can follow you on?
We have a Facebook and we have an Instagram.
Okay, cool.
At Mr. Cheesesteak. This is real simple, at Mr. Cheesesteak.
At Mr. Cheesesteak, all one word? Okay, great. Well, thank you so much, James. It was really great hearing a little bit about Mr. Cheesesteak and your time here.
Oh yeah, thank you.